All right, so let's talk about a new topic that has kind of been, something I've seen on Facebook, something that Sergio hit me up on, and I'm like, I've been seeing that a little bit. So the question is, have you seen this? Are you experiencing this? And this is, are you getting your quests paid on time? Are you getting your bonuses paid on time? Because some people are not. And this kind of started with that cash bonus that Uber had offered if you remain diamond. And if you got diamond, remain diamond, you got the 300, the 350, 450, whatever it was. Some drivers were getting it a day or two late. Some drivers were getting partial payments, and then the rest of it, a couple of days later. But the thing is, this is coming down to some of the bonuses, where usually what happens is you get right away, right after you complete your bonus, your quest, your promotion, whatever the stipulations are, whatever the terms are. Once you complete them, you usually get paid right away, unless there's some sort of glitch that says, "Oh, we got some issue happening," which has been more often than not. But Sergio, what's been going on?
Bro, I got this 5 for 50, okay, and I'm working on the 25 for 150, but that has all the way to March 13th. This was expiring February 27th, 6:47 p.m. As you guys see on the screenshot on the left. 5 for 50, easy, very easy, just for the fact that on Sunday I was downtown LA checking out the joint that we're gonna be at. So I'm going like, okay, what better way than to set my destination filter home, do 5 trips, easy, because demand is through the roof where downtown is. And then, sure enough, I did my 5. I caught some decent trips. I really didn't care about the mileage or the time, just for the fact that I was after their $50. 5 for 50 is a great promo. Okay. So my trips, I got home in about an hour and 45 doing 5 trips, and I grossed $57 on the trips alone. And then another 50 is $110, whatever it's going to be. Sure enough, I'm going like, okay, usually when the quest ends, within seconds, you will see the quest pop up in your earnings statement. I'm like, it didn't pop up. I go, the other thing that I kind of, made me pay attention to was, when it says 0 to 5 trips, Chris, right? If you do 1, there'll be like a green bar moving to the right, left to right, right? Every time you do a trip, it'll just keep going. This one was solid gray like this all the way through. I'm going like, no, this doesn't look right. This looks kind of weird. Then I went back and checked the date, expiration date on this thing. I go, no, I'm on time. I'm like, what's happening? Sure enough, I finished it. Nothing. Hour, 2, 3, 5, nothing. Now I'm going like, nah, I'm curious. Is there something I did wrong that there was no quest that showed up? So sure enough, I go, through the app, start the torture chamber, Uber support. And then I go, well, here's the deal. Okay, so for everybody, I always take screenshots. Please, people, take screenshots. I took screenshots of the 5 trips I made, screenshots of the quest, and boom, sent it to Uber support. 2 hours later, I get a response from Uber support. They're saying this, which was, I'm like, that's not cool. Where's my $50? I'm finished my stuff. Please give me my money. And are we ready for that one?
Well, that you got as a different topic, so you're getting ahead of yourself here.
Am I? Well, I said, okay. Anyway, so the quest did not show up. So is anybody else having this issue? Well, as of this morning, Mike, okay, these are the other 3 trips, so the totaling 5. And so that's actually part of the conversation. So that's the next topic anyway. So here you go. 42 minutes ago, 35 minutes ago, that's my mug in the Uber app saying, look, I finished my job. Can you please pay? And nothing. 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours later, I still get anything. So now I'm thinking, okay, I just only made $57 coming from LA downtown to my house, which is about 30 miles away. And I'm like, okay, whatever, still made some money. I'm not going to chase my tail with the AI bots or whatever Uber support is these days. Better than Lyft, of course, but that's a different subject. And then the waiting game has started. And I'm like, okay, I still haven't gotten my money. So hopefully, I will get my money. And that's it. Is any of you experiencing this? If I'm experiencing this, I'm sure millions of drivers are experiencing this as well, if there is a glitch in the system. So please leave comments below after the show or now. This is a major deal. Look, if there is a million, I don't know, there's Uber's CEO said 5.4 million drivers globally. I mean, if there's a million of us experiencing this, that's $50 million just on $50, and costs could be higher. I mean, are they floating our money? Look, I don't want to accuse anybody, but where's my money? I finished my job. Pay me my money, right? So we'll see. We'll see where this goes. I'll keep you guys posted. As of this morning, I still hadn't gotten my money. So hopefully I'll get my money.
I mean, that's pretty crazy though. It's sitting there, and then all of a sudden it's like you're doing it, and yeah, it's got that counter, but then it's not showing anything. So I would get pissed off right there too.
You know, the other thing I thought, Chris, you know, with the new quest, you had to save the quest because you're going to do the quest, right? Because if you don't save it, right? So I had made sure I saved it before I started doing the trip. So I'm thinking, you know, I didn't get tricked into not saving. So I saved. I finished my job, did my 5 trips. I want my money. So as of this morning, no money.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.